What's up, people? If you got this in your vacuum, what's in here? This is what you do. You stick a knife, you stick it in here, and start sawzalling. It's easier with two hands, but since I'm doing this for you, look at that.
Yes,
And see, look at that. And then you just pull, you cut it, then you pull on it. Look at that. That's beautiful. Hopefully you like my obnoxious, crazy how-to videos.
best videos in the whole universe.
And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you want to subscribe to my channel, Poop channel. If you want to subscribe to my channel, don't subscribe to my channel because it's horrible.
Yeah.
It's horrible. This is like.
Your channel's the worst as this pencil. Look.
Okay.
Kenny's draw.
Yeah, well, thank you so much. Goodbye.